Welcome to your Zoom tutorial. So first things first, let's go find our Zoom, and I've Googled it. We want to sign in. Now, a lot of you at Eastside High School are using our Chromebooks, and a lot of our students are as well. Now, this is a blocked app. However, when you go and sign in with Google and go in using your MPS account, as so, it'll take you as a browser instead. Now, this is where you can start creating your own meetings and setups. So let's say I want to schedule a meeting with my students. You can type in new meeting with period, let's say 7. Okay, you want to schedule the time, the duration of it. Now, this is great also to have open office hours. As you get used to playing with this a little bit more, you'll see some of the little nuances, but I just want to get us started now. Now, you can just do it as a telephone call, just computer audio, or both. So you don't necessarily need to have your students see you or you see them. You can just have them get on the call. Now, you save it, but you want to start that meeting. So, we're going to go push save, and you know what? Let's start this meeting. Another great piece is that you can actually connect this right to your Google Calendar and send that as an invite via email. Now, this is if you want to meet with your other staff. However, for our students, you'll see in just a moment. You don't need to require a meeting ID or a meeting password. When you send this out to your students, you can simply post this link right here, and it should take them right to it. Now, and just in case, you push copy invitation once you make your meeting. Once you push copy that invitation, you'll get this. This will provide all the information that the students need. This can be posted right on your Google Classroom stream, and they'll see that your new meeting with period 7 is March 23rd at 9 a.m. And then this is the link to take them to it. If it takes them to another page, then they just need to type in that meeting ID. And it even creates this invitation right for you. Copy and paste that. All right. So that is how to get your students in. And in our next part, we're going to discuss all of the cool stuff you can do with Zoom. Zoom!